Hey everyone, friends! Today I'll show you how to AirDrop between Android and iPhone. To do this, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi on both devices. Next, open your browser and go to snapdrop.net. From the device you want to send from, select the file to transfer. Got it? It will upload the file. Then click the Share button. Here, select the receiving device, in this case, iOS. You'll see your iPhone listed. Select your iPhone. Tap Share. Most likely this one is mine. There it is. You can now download this folder or any other file. That's it for now. This is Vailer signing off. Bye everyone.